The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Logan County, southeastern Tazewell County, northeastern Mason County, until 10:15 a.m. At 9:35 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located about 2 miles northwest of Mason City, moving east-northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mason City and San Jose around 9:40 a.m. and then around 9:50 a.m. Hartsburg around 9:55 a.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Arlington. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 1 and 19. Interstate 55 near mile marker 127, in between mile markers 134 and 137.